Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
From clone troopers to stormtroopers, the term stormtrooper was officially adopted by all clone troopers in 19 BBY following Emperor Palpatine's reorganization of the Old Republic into the First Galactic Empire.
Take our lead.
There are plenty of bounty hunters out there. Jango Fett was a human male Mandalorian bounty hunter and the clone template of the Grand Army of the Republic. From the planet Concord Dawn, Fett was a foundling of the Mandalorians and at one point fought in the Mandalorian Civil Wars before becoming a bounty hunter.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
There were indeed some clones that disobeyed Order 66. The only known ones are the Omega, Yayix, and Delta Clone Commando squads, Commander Get, ARC Captain Maze, the Null ARC Troopers, and the clones of Ion Team.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
CT-6116, also known as Kix, was a clone medic in the Grand Army of the Republic. Early on in the Clone Wars, the Jedi became increasingly desperate to capture the commander of the Separatist droid army, General Grievous.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.